Hey crafty friends! New month means new promos. It's July and happy birthday, Shop Couture. BDAY20 at checkout is going to get you 20% off your entire order. Plus, today only, July 1st, $70 order, you get free shipping. Who doesn't like free shipping? 2, you a Perks member? Should be. Perks